Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. So let me pick this one. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and tap on add picture or simply the circle. And as you can see here, we've got two different sections, the Google Photos and device photos, which is basically kind of the same thing. The Google Photos contain the backed up pictures. And here in the device photos, we've got either the gallery or the camera. After tapping on the camera, your device will immediately open the camera app, so you will be able to take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. So it's up to you. I prefer the gallery, so let me tap on it. Let's find the photo we'd like to use and tap. And right here in this step, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and basically thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position the photo just like you want to, and then tap on Save as Profile Picture. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, and if you're happy with your choice, remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo, for example, on the contact list or during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.